Hello mga kapitbahay, it's the first time we are getting ready dito sa labas. I haven't worn this top for a long time. Pero, yeah, nasuot ko na siya ulit because tapos siya sa kabilang bahay namin. Okay. Wala lang, cute lang kasi ng background, diba outdoors. Let's get ready with me. So, we are here pala in Casil Hills, Laguna. We are here in Casil Hills Farm Resort in Laguna. So it's only 1.5 hour drive from Manila. From Manila talaga. So, ayun, basta as long as you daan ka sa Skyway. Siguro may iba nakakaalam na nito. But please, kapag pupunta po sa probinsya, I think it's much better to use Waze. Hindi naman sa sinisiraan ko si Waze, but it's more effective para sa akin. Kasi we were both using the app, Waze and Gmaps, Google Maps. Pero talaga, yung tinuturo ni Gmaps is too far. Like, for long route yung tinuturo niya. So, alam mo yon, yung supposed to be maikli lang, sa kanya plus 1.5 hour pa ulit. Sa kanyang arrival, 2 hours 51 minutes. Dun sa sa regular lang sa Gmaps is parang 1 hour 23 minutes lang, ganun. So, ayun, yun lang naman ang share ko sa inyo for this, for this one. Kapag pupunta here, mag-Gmaps na lang kayo. Okay. Pero baka malay nyo, meron kayong parang way para ma-navigate yung Waze. Oh yeah. Diba? Actually, medyo minsan cloudy, then sunny, cloudy, then sunny. And I'm so happy because I was able to make papawis this morning. It makes me feel more alive, livelier. So yun lang. Thanks for watching. Let's go for part 2.